Hello class 4th, welcome to online classes in Haiti Public School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is your math class. So open your math book page number 52 and exercise 7C. Question first. Shan's mother spent 480 minutes at her clinic. How many hours does he spend at her clinic? Question number 1 solution. Shan's mother spent is equal to 480 minutes. Her clinic 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. She spends hours at her clinic. 480 divide 60. We need to table of 60. This is table of 60. 60 divide 480. 480 comes to 8 times in this table. So 68 is 480 is equal to 8 hours. Question number 2. My favorite TV show is 2100 seconds long. How much time is that in minute? Favorite TV show is 2100 second. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. 2100 divide 60. So we need table to 60. So 61 is 60, 62 is 120, 63 is 180 and 64 is 240. So 240 is the larger digit. 210. So we divide 3 times 180. Then subtract 0 minus 0 0. We can't subtract 1 minus 8. So 1 borrow 100 to 10s to make 11. 11 minus 8 3. And we write next digit. And 65 is 300. It means 35 minutes. Question number 3. A sadhu on a vow of silence did not speak for 7,200 hours. How much time is that in? Question number 3 solution. He did not speak for 7,200 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So we divide 7,200 divide 24. So we need to table of 24. This is table of 24. 24 3s are 72. 24 3s are 72 and we write 00 as it is. So 300 days. Question number 4. 3,527 party caps were to be packed in boxes. If 64 caps were packed in each box, how many boxes were used? How many caps were left over? Party caps were to be packed in boxes. 3,527 packed in each box is 64. So caps we divide 3,527 divide 64. Firstly we need to table of 64. This is table of 64. 64 5s are 320 because this number is smaller than 352. 5 times we can subtract 0 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 2 3 and we write next digit to make 327. This table is not come to 327. So we divide smaller digit to 5 times. 5 times 320. We can subtract 327 minus 327. So 55 boxes and 7 left out. Question number 5. 15,408 kg wheat was distributed equally among families of a village. If each family got 36 kg of wheat, how many families were there in the village? Wheat was distributed equally is equal to 15,408 kg. If each family got of wheat 36 kg. So we divide 15,408 divide 36. We need to table of 36. This is a table of 36. 154 is not come to table, so 144 is the smaller digit, comes to 1 2 3 4 4 times 36 4 the 144, and we can subtract 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 4 1. We write next digit to make 100. 100 is not come this table, so 72 36 to the 72. 100 minus 72 is equal to 28, and we write next number to make 288. 288 comes in this table 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 times 8 times 36 8 jump 288. A factory made the same length of wire every day for 35 consecutive days. During this period, it made 82,075 meter of wire. How many meter of wire did the factory make every day? Same length of wire is equal to 35 consecutive days and made wire 82,075 meter. So we need of table 35 1 the 35 2 the 70. We can subtract 82 minus 70 12. We write 0 to make 120. 120 is not come to table, so smaller digit is 105, comes to 3 times 35 3 is 105. 120 minus 105 15. We write next digit to make 157. 157 is not come this table. 140 is the larger digit to 157, comes to 4 times. 157 minus 140 is equal to 17, and we write next digit to make 175. 175 comes to 5 times in this table, so 2345 meter. Question number 7. For a function rate 250 was collected from each flat of a complex. The total money collected was rate 78,000. How many flats are there in this complex? Collected from each flats of this complex rate 250. Total flats money collected was rate 78,000. We divide 78 250. We need to table of 250. This is table of 250. 253 is 750. We can subtract 780 minus 750 30. We write 0. 251 is 250, and what's left? 50. 300 minus 250. 50. We will write 0. 250 2s are 500. It means quotient is 312. Okay students, page number 52, exercise 7C, question 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7. Do in this your notebook. This is your homework today. Send to us. Goodbye and have a nice day.